What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. So this is about to be a random unboxing. I ordered a bunch of stuff just for like new videos that I got coming up. So in this video you'll basically be getting a preview of what I'll be doing for my up and coming videos. Alright, so box number one, it doesn't really have nothing to do with my upcoming videos. It's just something simple, and I know what this is. So I just got a mirror, and the reason I got this mirror is because I've been using this little mirror. You can see the difference. This mirror isn't cutting it no more, so I had to upgrade. Plus, as you know, I wear glasses, so when I take them off using this mirror, it's a struggle. So this one's going in the garbo. Big upgrade, excited for this mirror. So for package number two, I'm not too sure what's in this package, so let's find out. So, the Apple Watch band. I wonder if this is legit. It's from, yeah, so I got this Apple Watch band. It's the Black Unity Apple Watch band. It's pretty dope. It's different. I don't know anyone with it, so that's the reason I got it. Right now I use this generic little Apple Watch band, which isn't bad. It's just like my everyday, especially when I'm at work. So this is the meaning behind the Black Unity. This is what it looks like. So yeah, it's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. I'll definitely be using it a lot, and this is what it looks like on the wrist. Looks like pretty dope. So let's see what I got in here. First on the list is these 2 times spicy ramen. I'll be doing a challenge with these pretty soon. Probably within the next couple of days. I'm gonna do a challenge with them. Yeah, sometimes this week I'll do it. Alright, everyone that knows me, no, I don't bang with no type of bugs, no nothing. No insects, none of that. So, I ordered this scorpion, like candy. I don't know what this is, but it's some type of bug. I think it's a cricket or something. And then I ordered these crickets. And as y'all can see, them things ain't small. God damn. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have them here. I might try to get someone else to do the video with me. That might get me to actually do the video. I don't know. But I might do it. I don't know. Stay tuned again. I also got this extra buttercream, whatever. Let me know if y'all used this butter before. It's for your hair. And I heard it was good. So I'm gonna try it out, you know, and then I'll let y'all know if it's good. Lastly on the list is more brushes. So last month I did a month just using wavy merch brushes, and then I think I might do this month just using these Torino Pros. They weren't too expensive. I think they're like $10 or something like that. So I might use these just for a month just to see what they do. Pretty sure they'll be decent. So yeah, like I say in every video, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below to let me know what I should do next, and I'll see y'all in the next video.